What's going on? We're here with Pavel, founder and CEO of Source Minerals. How are you doing today, Pavel?
Very good, my friend.
Awesome, man. Well, first thing that I want to ask you here is how much money have you made directly from working with us?
Well, since August, we start working with you guys, and um, we made from 16% of revenue coming from email to 35, which is incredible.
All right, sweet. And what sort of challenges were you facing, besides just the revenue before we started working together?
We did all the emails internally, and it was very time consuming. But besides that, I think the biggest challenge is to, understand um, what your audience wants to hear from you, and what technically what type of flows in campaigns would get the most out of your time.
Hmm. Yeah, and how did we do in terms of that, in terms of the strategy, copywriting, design, overall content, email content angles?
Man, I'm actually very happy with, as genuinely, I'm very happy with the work you've done, because we are a very niche company, and what I really was surprised that you went super deep to understand what our audience needs, what they're looking for, which is sometimes I don't want to do it, but because the product is so niche. But your copywriters, designers did an amazing job to actually get to the mind of a person who buys our product, and did fantastic job. Sometimes I'm opening up campaigns from you, and I'm learning something from you, which is, the highest the praise that I can give.
Awesome, man. And last question for me, what would you say to somebody who's sort of on the fence about working with us?
Um, I would say you should absolutely go and try it. I think the team is fantastic. Max is doing a great job to explain everything. I'm very picky with work that being produced by agencies, and I've been 100% satisfied. Max, also thanks to you, because you were very attentive, especially in the very beginning. It's a new agency. We don't know what's going on, but you were there every single minute I need you, answer all the questions. We jump on many calls to for us to really understand how to work together. And I really appreciate that. Not every agency is doing that. So for everybody who's on the fence and afraid to make this step forward, you absolutely should.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks so much for hopping on, and thanks so much for your recommendation here, man.